Cloning a hard drive copies everything: your operating system, programs, files, and settings, from one drive to another. It's the easiest way to upgrade to a bigger drive or make a perfect backup. And you don't need to pay for expensive software. In this video, I'll walk you through a safe, free method to clone your drive step by step. Let's go. First, a quick warning: cloning overwrites the destination drive. Any data on the target will be erased. So before you start, back up any important files on the destination drive to a separate device. Also, make sure both drives are connected and recognized by your PC. If you're cloning a laptop drive, you may need a USB to SATA adapter or a second bay. There are several reliable free tools you can use. Two great options are Clonezilla, an open-source, powerful cloning tool, and Macrium Reflect Free, a user-friendly Windows app with a GUI. Either works fine. Clonezilla is very flexible but a bit technical, while Macrium is easier for beginners. I'll describe the general steps that apply to both workflows. Step 1. Connect the source drive, the one you want to copy, and the target drive, the new drive. If you use Clonezilla, download the ISO and create a bootable USB using Rufus or Balena Etcher. If you use Macrium Reflect Free on Windows, you can run it directly from Windows and optionally create a rescue USB. Either way, make sure the target drive capacity is equal to or larger than the used data on the source. If you choose Macrium Reflect Free, open the program, select the source disk, then click Clone this disk. Choose the target disk as the destination. You can drag and drop partitions to resize them if the target is bigger. Once ready, click Finish and then OK to start the cloning process. Wait, cloning can take from minutes to hours depending on drive size and speed. When it finishes, shut down, swap drives if needed, and boot from the clone drive to confirm everything works. If you choose Clonezilla, boot your PC from the Clonezilla USB. Select Device mode to clone disk to disk, then choose Beginner mode for a simpler flow. Pick the source disk, then the target disk, confirm the prompts, and start the clone. Clonezilla copies sector by sector or intelligently skips empty space depending on options you choose. Be patient. Clonezilla will show progress and logs. When it's done, power off and test the clone drive. After cloning, always verify. Boot from the new drive and check that your OS starts, apps open, and files are intact. If you clone to an SSD, enable trim and check alignment for best performance. If the target drive is larger, resize partitions using Windows Disk Management or gparted. And remember, cloning is not a replacement for regular backups. Keep a separate backup for important files. That's it, a safe, free way to clone your hard drive using either Macrium Reflect Free or Clonezilla. Whether you're upgrading to an SSD or making a full system backup, cloning saves time and headaches. If you want, I can make a follow-up video showing the exact Macrium settings or a step-by-step Clonezilla walkthrough. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.